Good morning, boys and girls. This week phonics is brought to you by Mrs. Justice. We're going to be learning about the oi sound. And here is a cute video and song that I love to help us learn this song and how to spell it.
The sound of oi.
We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing and enjoy. Enjoy. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, soil, soil. Oi, coin, coin. Oi, join, join. Oi, boil, boil.
We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing and enjoy. Enjoy. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, 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 oi. Oi, oi, oi. Toy, toy. Oi, oi, oi. Soy, soy. Oi, oi, oi. Joy, joy.
We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing and enjoy. Enjoy. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Soil, coin, join, boil, boy, toy, soy, joy.
All right, boys and girls. Let me turn this down. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you've learned what the oi sound is. And we're going to talk about some different ways to spell it. But first, let's go over some oi words. There's toy, coin, oil, and boy. Now, in the word coin that we just learned about, oi is in the middle. And so when we write that, the oi sound in the middle of a word, we use the letters O-I. Boy is also an oi word, but the oi sound is at the end of the word, and then we use O-Y most of the time. So O-I is for when you hear it in the middle of a word when you're writing, and O-Y is when you hear it at the end of a word. So let's practice reading some of those words right now. Let me switch to a pen. So this is the word toy. Say toy with me. Toy. T. What letter says T? Oh, you're right. It's a T. Toy. Oi. Now it's at the end of a word. So is it going to be O-I or O-Y? Wait, boy, toy. It's at the end. So it's going to be a Y, like in the word boy that we just learned about on the last slide. Now let's try it with the word join. Join. If you see children playing, you might want to join them. Join. J. That's J. Join. Now, oi is in the middle of that word, so it wouldn't be O-Y. It must be O-I. Join. There we go. So OY is at the end, OI is in the middle. All right, let's read some more. Oi, see how it's OY at the end? Oin, those are two words we just did, and it's OI in the middle. Here's one we haven't done. Boil, boil, like you have to boil water to make spaghetti or hot tea or coffee. And then here's another one, oi, and it's OY because it's at the end of a word. Let's practice writing. The first word is going to be point. Say that with me. Point. What did you hear first? I heard a P too. Point. Okay, so the oi sound is in the middle, so it's going to be O-I, point. Here we go. Point, like you point your finger. This word is going to be the word joy. Joy. Oi. What two letters do we need for that sound at the end? O, yes, O-Y. All right, now we're going to play a game where I'm going to say some words, and we're going to make a tally mark here and decide whether they're OI words or OY words, depending upon whether we hear them in that sound, oi sound in the middle of a word, or we hear the oi sound at the end of a word. So the first word is joy that we just wrote, joy, and that was OY. Then we wrote the word point, which went over here, point, had OI. Next word, join. Like if children are playing a game, you want to join them. That's in the middle, so that goes right here. How about boil? Oh, I heard the oi sound in the middle, so it's going to go over here. How about the word boy? Boy. I heard it at the end, so it's going to go here. How about the word noise? Noise. Yep, that's going to go over here. How about the word cloy? Cloy. That one's going to be here. And the next one, ploy. Ploy. Yep, that's going to go here too. And how about the next word of, I forgot the word. What is the word? The word is, I'm going to make one up. Foy. Foy. Where would that one go? Yeah, it would go right here. And so you are right. Not that you were right, but this word, the OY, seems to have won the game because that has 5 tally marks and OI only has 4. All right. Now we're going to move on and practice some different sounds that we've heard, like bl, cl, fl. I hope you're reading with me. Gl, pl, sl, brr, cr, dr, fr, gr, pr, tr. All right, this is a boy. Boy. What sound do you hear at the beginning of boy? Yeah, I heard a B and I wrote a B too. So make sure your B is going this way when you're writing. All right, let's view some more blends. Sk, sk, sl, sm, sn, sp, st, sw. And some ending blends. Sk, sp, st, and nd, ng, nt, nk. All right, this is not a dollar bill, but it is some money. It's called a coin. Coin. What diphthong do you hear in the middle of the word? Diphthong is that oi sound. And you are right. It's going to be an O, and because it's in the middle of a word, it's going to be O. What would that be? O-I are the 2 letters that make that sound. All right, let's do some 3-letter blends. This is a review, so say them with me. Scr, spl, spr, squ, str. And now we're going to go back to 2-letter digraphs. K, ch, sh, th, w is the last one. All right, this is baby oil. What final sound do you hear in oil? I hear an L, so I'm going to write it right here. And I bet we could add these 2 letters too to make this word. How would we write that oi sound at the beginning of a word? Well, if OY is only at the end, then OI must be for at the beginning for oil. All right, our last slide for today, boys and girls, is about the word boy. Say the word boy. If you change the oi sound to ow, like this, so we still have b, and then we have ow, we get the word bow would be our new word that we made. So right now, you've been such a rock star with the oi sounds and learning how to spell them. We'll do more on that for tomorrow. And for today, we're done. So go ahead and the rock star you are, take a rock star bow. Bow. And I will see you tomorrow, boys and girls. Have a great day. Bye.